Do you like dirty, nasty, disgusting cabin air filters? Nasty. Me either. And do you like good airflow out of your vents? I do too. These dirty filters may be causing problems. And you may have terrible airflow at the vents. So let me show you. I got the toilet paper test. Turn this on. Now I'm gonna turn this to high. Let's see how that's blowing. I guess it's blowing. It's not very great though. That's on high speed. And that's how it is with on high. I just know that when it's really hot out, I want all the airflow as possible. So let's change this filter on my second gen Sequoia. It is a 2013, and pardon, there's like a bunch of noise over there. I don't know what they're doing. But anyways, you're gonna get in your glove box. You're gonna take this little shelf, if you have it, just kind of rip it out. It clips in at the bottom, then over here it kind of clips. You just, here we go. It sounds like you break it, but it just clips in place. All right, and then right here is a door. So you just lift it up, grab the top, and pull in, and then move my hand here. So it kind of clips in behind there. So you gotta lift it up, pull this top, and then pull it out that way. Then there is the filter box. So you got these clips. You're gonna pull this clip in, and this one over here, you're gonna pull it in. And I'm gonna have to set you down because, well, maybe I can set it like that. Let's see here. Get in. Oh, it's resting up against something and it keeps moving. Here, let me see if I can. All right, be gentle. Do this and then pull it out. There we go. There is your filter. Oh, let's pull this crusty thing out. I bet it's really crusty and nasty. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Got a bunch of seeds and hair. Oh, this backside, it's pretty gross too. Ugh. Best thing to do when you pull this out is just to chuck it. There you go, bye-bye. Trash. So I went to Wally World and got this Super Tech filter, and no, I am not sponsored by Walmart, but let's put this Super Tech filter in. All right, so pulling the filter out, looks a little different on the side. It has some foam, and it doesn't have an up, it just has an airflow that way. So airflow up. And so on this, the airflow does flow up because the fan, I believe, is right there somewhere. So yeah, we'll just slide it in with the airflow that direction, and it's gonna go in this way. Slide it in there. There we go. Now put your cover back on. Snap it in place. So put your cover back on and then put your cover back on. Remember this one, you move my hand. Get this little tab, stick it in there first. Stick that up, push it down. There you go. And then this little guy, if you have a little shelf, he's gonna go in that little slot over there. And you got some slots right here too. There we go. Boom. Now let's check the airflow. We'll do the toilet paper test again. I say toilet paper test. All right, here we go. Got new filter in. Got our fan speed to high. It's blowing better. Oh, there you go. Now it's like really blowing. It feels great. And that's how you replace the cabin filter. I'll put this part number in the video down in the comments, and I'll also put the OEM, the Toyota part number, in case you're wanting to order that and have the correct one, because the correct one it's probably so much better, you know. But anyways, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Let me know if there's other videos about the Sequoia that you want me to make. Have a great day. And tell your Sequoia I said hi. Ugh. Ugh. Nasty. It kind of smells like a vanilla air freshener too. Ugh.